Alright guys, so we have this jump starter battery thing. I guess you can charge your phone with it and whatnot. If you guys want to read more about it or if you want to buy it, just click on the link in the description below. So my buddy's here and he just so happened to have a flat, or an, what is it?
Battery.
Dead battery. And
You want to see if this thing works?
he was just sitting there for a little while and the battery died on him, so we're gonna put this thing to the test. It's a pretty decent sized truck here, so if it can start this, it can start just about anything. So, all right. Fresh out of the box. Let's see if it comes with any type of charge or anything. I have not opened it before this. That's what it looks like.
Well, it's got charged.
That's crazy. I'm having a hard time believing that this little thing could like start a truck like this, but if it does, I'll be thoroughly impressed.
All right. Let's see. Input, output, open, engine start. There we go.
Oh, is that it? You just pull that little flap back, the single start engine start thing? All right. Comes with a nice little case, and then this deal. So red on red, positive, negative on that, or any metal really.
Yeah.
All right, and then what do we do? Just hit that button.
Let's see. Babe, start the truck.
What?
Yeah, dude.
This thing started a truck. Uh-oh, she has to give it some gas?
Yeah, give it gas, man. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, we'll do this.
Lemser is the name brand. Nothing?
I gotta plug it back up.
It started for a hot second and then turned off. Maybe it can only do like a single jump start on one charge or something, but let's see. Well, it still has 3 lights, so.
Yeah. There's a beacon. There's a beeping. Crazy. Ugh. Damn women.
I wonder why the hell it's beeping like
I
that.
don't know. Alright, hit it. No. Let it go. Turn off. Why is it doing that?
Maybe we gotta keep it pressed so it turns off, or I can put it on the charger for a minute.
Yeah.
Maybe it has enough juice for one jump like that.
That ain't it. We just didn't read the directions because we're men. One more time.
Yeah, who needs directions? We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Alright, try it. Good gas.
Good gas. There you go. There you go. It works.
Good.
This thing's a winner. Click on the link in the description below. It works. It'll save your ass in a situation like this. And look at the size of this truck. So if it can work on this, it can work on any normal sedan or whatever, minivan.
V8 Ford F-150.
Right, this is a V8?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Thanks for helping me test it.
Yeah. Anytime. Thanks for letting me use it. Still rolling? Yeah, click on the link in the description.
There you go.
My boy Milan will help you out. Give you discount or whatever he's got going on his YouTube channel.
All right, guys.
Thanks,
Take
brother.
care.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Take care.